A Summerland-based fruit company has opened a new state-of-the-art apple processing facility. The space is over 10,000 square feet and located in Moses Lake, Washington. On September 27th, Okanagan Specialty Fruits unveiled the facility. The company is the creator of the Arctic apple, a group of patented apples containing a non-browning trait. By early 2024, the company will be able to store, process, and pack more than 100 bins of apples. The facility is near Okanagan Specialty Fruits' Arctic apple orchard. Okanagan Specialty Fruits has more than 500 hectares of Washington-grown Arctic Fuji, Arctic Golden, and Arctic Granny apples. Arctic Gala will be the next variety for the company, followed by Arctic Honey and Arctic Pink.